In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as a webcam on your Windows computer. So if you don't have a built-in webcam on your computer, then you can actually use your iPad as a camera instead. So it's actually really easy to do. We just need to go and open up an internet browser, and then from your computer, type in DroidCam and press enter, and then click on this top website, which is DroidCam.com. You can then scroll down to the download section and click on install DroidCam to your computer. You can then select your operating system. I'm going to click Windows Setup. Now click on this downloadable file. If you click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side, you should be able to see the DroidCam. Go and click on this and then just go through the steps to install this. So I'm going to press next, click on I agree and press install. Now once this is finished installing, you can go and close out of this window. The next thing we need to do is open up our iPad and we need to head over to the App Store. Click on the search box at the top of this page and then just go and search for DroidCam. Go and click on DroidCam webcam at the very top and click on the blue Get button. You'll then need to go and install this onto your iPad. Once it's finished installing, go and open up the app. Now you can press continue at the bottom of this page, click on OK, and then you may get some pop-ups asking to allow permission to the camera and microphone. Just make sure to press allow. Now once you've gone through all of these steps, it will ask to connect to your local networks, click on allow, and this is how we're going to connect this to our computer. So now we can come back over to our computer and open up the start menu. You can then search for DroidCam and open up the app. You can then click on the Add Device button, and as long as the app's open on your iPad, it should appear from this list here. So you can see my iPad, we can click on it, decide whether you want to enable audio as well, and click on Add Selected Device. Now if you can't find your iPad from the list of devices, then just make sure your computer and your iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Because this runs through a Wi-Fi connection, you need to make sure they're both connected to the same. Now once it's been added, you can see we're now using the webcam on our computer. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.